In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn what is a geometric sequence. Any sequence which has a common ratio. What is a common ratio? Mean we get the next term by multiplying or by dividing something. For example, 2, the next term is 4, next term is 8, next term is 16, so on. So this sequence is called geometric sequence. How? Because after 2, 4, 8, 16. So 2 multiply by 2, we get 4. Multiply by 2. So there is a common ratio. How to get common ratio? First of all, sometimes now we know it is very simple. Just we multiply by 2. In some sequences we don't know. Then what is the way? We will, the common ratio, it is written here. For example, this is the formula to find the nth term. A is the first term, as we learned already in arithmetic sequence. R is a common ratio. How to find the R? R is the term, R, the common ratio, which is equal term, any term you decide, divide by the previous term. Any term, for example, the second term divided by the first term. The third term divided by the previous term, it means second term. For example, 8th term divided by the previous, any 7th term, you will get the R. I hope you understand how to find the common ratio. Okay. Now we understand what is A, what is R, what is N. N is the number of term. Which term? Second term, 10th term, 15th term, the number of term. This is the sum, the number of terms we are going to add the 5 terms as 10 terms, add 15 terms. So we will use this formula or this formula, both are same. Here R should be greater than 1. Greater than 1. Let's see, we have some questions we will solve. So look here, the first question they are asking, find the general formula, mean nth term. They will ask, sometimes they will ask you find the nth term, sometimes they will ask you find the general formula. Okay, the general formula is A R power n minus 1. So look here, they gave us the term. We don't know which term is it. It is arithmetic, it is geometric, or it is quadratic. So what is the way? First we will see there is not a common difference same. This is 5, this is 10. So the common difference not same, so it is not arithmetic. So we will check now the geometric. As I told you, R equal any term, for example 20, 40 divided by the previous term 20. 40 divided by 20 equal 2. So we multiply by 2. Now we will check. If we multiply by 2, we are getting the next term, it means it is geometric. So 5 times 2, 10, 10 times 2, 20, 20 times 2, 40. So yeah, this is a geometric sequence. Okay. Now we will find the general formula, AN, which is equal A multiply R power n minus 1. So what is A? A is the first term, which is 5, multiply R. R is the 2 power n minus 1. So this is our general formula. So if you have the general formula, find the 10th term. It means n we will replace by 10. A 10. 5 times 2 power 10, n is a 10. So 5 times 2 power 9. So using calculator we can find 2 power 9. So it is, just a minute, 2 power 9, which is equal 512. 5 times 512, which is equal 2560. So this is the 10th term. I hope you understand, it is clear. Okay, look at the next question. Let me raise it. In the next term, question number 2, they said the geometric sequence. Now they told you the geometric sequence. The first term A, which is equal 3, and the common ratio is minus 2. Find the 7th term, mean n is 7. So n is 7, A is 3, the common ratio R is minus 2 power 7, n is 7 minus 1. So 3 times minus 2 power 6. 3 times minus 2 power 6, which is equal 64. 64 times 3, which is equal 192. So the 7th term is 192. This is our answer. I hope you understand. Look at question number 3. In question number 3, the second term is 8 and the fifth term is 64. So let's see, we'll write the equation by using the same formula. The second term a 2, the first term we don't know, r we don't know, the n is 2 minus 1. The second term is given, which is 8. So 8 equal a r power 2 minus 1 is 1. A, there is no sign, it means they are multiplying. Okay, after that the fifth term a5, a r power 5 minus 1. So fifth term is 64, which is equal a r power 4. 5 minus 1 equal 4. Okay, now what will we do? We will divide this term by this term. So if we will divide 64, we will divide with this side, the same side, by 8, then a r power 4 divided by a r. A cancel. 64 divided by 8, which is equal 8, and r power 3, because this is 4 times, this is 1 time. 4 minus 1 is equal 3. So now we will cancel cube. We will take the cube root both sides. So r equal, so the cube root of 8 equal 2. So this is our r. Now they are asking you to find a. So we will replace r with 2. This equation. Let me erase this one. So we will replace r with 2. 8 equal a times 2. 2 is multiplying, when go other side will divide. 8 divided by 2 equal a, which is equal 4 equal a. So this is our a and r. We have a and r, we can find the nth term. So a mean the first term, which is equal 4, multiply r power n minus 1. This is, what is r? R is 2. So 2 power n minus 1. This is the nth term. I hope it is clear. Now we will go to find the sum. So for finding the sum, we have the two formulas. You can use any one. You can use this one or this one. Both are same. The answer will be correct. So a s n, which is a into r power n minus 1 over r minus 1. This is the formula. I used this one. Okay, this one. You can use this one also, same, no problem. So a is multiplying. A multiply r power 1, r power n minus 1. I put the bracket mean multiply. Okay, so look at the first question. The first 5 mean n is 5, a is 3, r, what is r? 12 divided by 6, which is equal to, so just I will replace s, n is 5, a is 3, r is 2 power 5 minus 1 over, what is r? 2 minus 1. So just we will use calculator, we can find the answer. So 3 bracket 2 power 5, okay, you can find 2 power 5, which is equal 32 minus 1 equal 31, multiply 3, which is equal 93 over 1. We don't, because 2 minus 1 is 1, so 93. As 5, the sum of first 5 terms equal 93. I hope it is clear and you understand. So we will look at the second question. A, you replace, like a is 3, here will be 4, r is 1 over 2, n is 6. Just we will use the same formula and we can solve the second question. This is for you. I will solve question number 3. Look at question number 3. In question number 3, they said, in question number 3, the first 100 terms mean n is 100, and the first term is 100. First term is 100, r is 0.1. What is n? First 4 terms. So 0.1 power 4 minus 1 over, r is what? 0.1 minus 1. Let us simplify. Okay, now 0.1 power 4, which is equal 0.001 0001. So 100 bracket 0.0001 minus 1. So minus 1. You can use calculator directly to solve this one, which is equal the nominator I solved, just this one, nominator. So which is equal minus 99.99 over 0.1 minus 1, which is equal minus 0.9. So you can use calculator, we can find the answer. Minus 99.99 divide minus 0.9, which is equal 111.1. So S4, first 4 terms when we will add, this is our answer. I hope you understand and it is clear for you. If you have any question about the geometric sequence to how to find nth term, so you can ask me in the comment. I will answer you. Thank you so much for watching.